ഞാൻ ഡെമോൺസ്ട്രേഷന് വേണ്ടി ഒരു മോയ്സ്ചർ സെൻസർ ഇങ്ങനെ ഇങ്ങോട്ട് അളക്കുക. ഇപ്പോൾ സിമുലേഷന് വേണ്ടിയാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇത്ര ചെറിയ അളവ് വെള്ളം ഒഴിക്കുന്നത്. ഇനി അടുത്ത സെൻസർ അളക്കുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും ആ ഏരിയയിലോട്ട് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യും. രണ്ട് സൈഡിലും വെള്ളം ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എന്നും നോക്കാം.
Here I am going to explain the circuit of our project. At first, we use Arduino Uno board. We placed here, and then in case we use a breadboard. After that, we take a 5-volt signal from here, connect it to the positive pin. Let this be a red, and take a ground connection. Let it be negative, connected to it. We have connected positive and negative to this board. After that, we call in the moisture sensor. Since we are using 2 moisture sensors, I import 2 moisture sensors. We are connecting VCC to the pin 2 and 3. This is to control the power input given to the circuit, given to the moisture sensor. After that, we supply ground. We draw out the signal pin to read the signal received at the moisture sensor. We connect the input pins to A0 and A1. After that, we use a servo motor. Take out the power pin and connect it to positive. Take out the ground pin and connect it to negative, and take out the signal pin, and I am going to connect it to the 4th pin. We use an SPDT relay. Since there is no pump and battery, 3.7 volt battery in here, we use DC motor, 1.5 volt battery. Connect negative to negative. After that, draw out the positive and connect it to relays this port. And after that, take this connection and give it to motor. We take out the 6th pin, which is the relay's programmed pin, and connect it to the coil and connect here to the ground. Now what this relay does is, as you can see, these 2 pins connects the coil in between. If we give supply to the 6th pin, this coil will be activated, and the this connection will goes upwards. That means terminal 6 and terminal 12 will be connected. If there is no signal on terminal 5, which is Arduino's 6th pin, terminal 7 and terminal 1 or 2 will be connected.